Have you ever tried playing game with your dog? Or are you looking for some fun activities to do with them? If so, then let's jump right in because we are going to show you some fun games to play with your dogs.
Oh yay!
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! You know everything, don't you?
Okay guys, so please comment down below to let us know which one is your favorite game or any games that you usually play with your dog.
And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. See you in our next video.
Bye!